This vacuum is the perfect size to handle tough jobs around the house, garage, or shop. The balanced top handle design and durable. Wide stance casters make this shop vacuum easy to carry, use, and store. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Wet and dry operation. The equipped to vacuum wet and dry debris with a 4-peak HP motor. This wet, dry vacuum makes cleanup easy. Whether it's dust collection in the shop or liquid spills at home, this vac has an extra large drain port, making emptying the tank easy. This vacuum can also be turned into a blower to remove debris from a yard or garage. Number 2. Smart design. This shop vacuum has over 17 feet of cleaning reach with the hose, extension wands, and power cord. Number 3. Complete Vac Organization. The onboard hose, cord, and accessory storage allow you to keep all of the attachments organized and in one place, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can this vacuum be used to blow out dryer ducts? Answer: yes, they can if hooked up in reverse. Question number 2. Can this be used to vacuum up leaves, etc. from my carpeted patio? Answer: Vacmaster 3-peak HP 5-gallon wet dry vacuum cleaner can be turned into a blower to vacuum up leaves, etc. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.